Hi, I'm Justin. Welcome back to The Insider. Today we're going to explore ProMaster's lineup of custom-fitted L brackets. L brackets are an indispensable tool for those who want enhanced stability and quicker operation of their camera when using a ball head, monopod, or tripod. L brackets connect to the 1/4-20 thread on the camera. They create a dovetail, arca-swiss compatible quick-release plate across the bottom and the side of the camera. This allows the camera to be mounted directly over the top center of the tripod head in either a vertical or horizontal position. It's quick and easy to change the orientation of your camera back and forth when using an L bracket. Now the camera benefits from the head's full range of motion while maintaining a central balance point for more stable shots. More stability and balance means improved sharpness to your photos. When used in conjunction with a small compact tripod like ProMaster's XC522, you gain the additional benefit of more camera height in a vertical position. Each L section of the bracket is custom designed with an opening to allow access to the connection ports on the side of the camera. The standard model features a removable L section, leaving a custom anti-twist dovetail base on the camera. The included Allen wrenches can be used to remove the L section or to tighten the mounting bolts. A 1/4-20 thread is located on the base of each L bracket for connecting additional accessories. ProMaster also makes specific L brackets designed to work with external battery grips, which allows for quick and easy battery changes on the fly. Many other L brackets are made of cast aluminum. ProMaster L brackets are made of high-strength aluminum and are CNC machined. Machined aluminum is stronger and provides more rigid integrity than cast aluminum. Machining aluminum is a time-consuming process, yet the end result is worth it. As a result, our L brackets carry the ProMaster Professional moniker. ProMaster L brackets are custom designed for a specific camera, ensuring a perfectly tailored fit. Currently, there are 35 custom-fitted L brackets in the ProMaster lineup, from top brands like Canon, Nikon, Fuji, Olympus, Panasonic, and Sony. A universal L bracket is also available, providing the functionality of an L bracket to a wide range of cameras without custom-fitted engineering. That's all for this edition of The Insider. We'll see you next time.